everybody, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one that came out of a Zenpop subscription box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my. I'm lidless. Yeah, this is a curry udon from Maruchan. They said it was from Ace Cook, but it's obvious that it's not from Ace Cook. So this one takes 5 minutes. Here's a sachet of garnishy type stuff. Scissors. Drop in the garnish into 350 mils of water, and we're going to drop in the noodle block too. Give it a little shwee, 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 shwee. Flip it over a little bit, and I guess I'll use this lid as a lid. And that goes for 5 minutes. So, what's new with y'all? Not much here. Did a bunch of walking yesterday. I ended up doing like 7 miles. That's not bad. All of it in pretty much one shot. So that's fun. Yeah. On the mend, as it were. I don't know if, yeah, you might not know looking at this in the future, but last week, it's been a week since I've been out of the hospital. I went to the ICU, got COVID, and then got blood clots. It was crap. Crap. My wife still doesn't feel good. She got the COVID too. We all got it. I mean, it just like, it knocked on the door. It came in and said, oh, hey, and just like did that on everybody. It's like, we're inside you now. How you doing? Yeah, we're inside you. You got the COVID. So anyways, in other news, I have no more student loans. Thank you, Uncle Joe Biden. I guess that's why. I don't know. As most of you know, I'm legally blind, so that I guess made it, because I had to do this exam thing and it was horrible, and to reprove that I was legally blind. But no miracle, no divine providence here. But yeah, it ended up being a good thing. So no more student loans. Yeah, that's nice. Thank you, government. I don't know. I just think everybody should be able to go, if they want to pursue higher education, to be able to just be able to do it as a citizen of the country. I don't know why not, you know. But I think that's the way it used to be, and then somebody decided, well, I don't want to do that, and I don't want to pay the taxes to make that happen for those people. So it's like, I think there's a lot of people who wish they could just pay taxes, or just not pay taxes at all. Well, who wants to pay taxes? Who wants to like give, here's money. But it's just kind of like what you got to do. And but it's like people would like to pick and choose. It's like, well, I don't ride the bus, so I don't want to pay taxes on buses. I do drive a car, so I'll help pay taxes on the roads. But it's like, it doesn't work that way. You gotta have like a blanket thing. It's like God, what is it? The whole insurance thing, when people were like, well, I'm a guy. Why should I have to have it listed on my insurance that I qualify for birth control, for like women's birth control? It's like, well, they put the same crap in everybody's insurance plan. It's like, you really want to pay like $1 more so they can sit there and fiddle with like fine print? I don't know. Anyways, that's my rant of the day. Not much of a rant, but yeah, just kind of still the struggle is real after having.
I have pink boogers too.
You have pink boogers?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, my daughter, the sweet little Mimi. How you doing?
Good.
How do you get pink boogers?
When I was breathing in some spray in my mouth.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. And then I get some pink
Why don't you get a tissue, blow your nose, okay? Get rid of that pink booger. So yesterday, she got to Kit and Mimi were at the store, and she found this pink hairspray, and Mimi loves the color pink, so they got this pink hairspray. And I don't think she breathed any of it in, honestly, but yeah. So her hair was all pink. But also, it's like hairspray. It's like that stuff for dudes who are going bald. They spray the spray hair. Yeah, but it's pink. She was pretty thrilled about that. And it was like when we went and took her to the bus yesterday, it was like sunny out and it was very pink. It was like hot pink. It's like, whoa. Very cool. Fun stuff. Fun. I think you know it. It's time. It's time, and here we are. So we've got udon. Udon is a thicker kind of noodle. Generally, I'm not a really big fan of this style, but we'll see how it goes. I'm ready to give it a whack. I got a new bowl, too.
And I have a brand new tablet.
Yeah, go play. Papa's working on stuff. Love you. Yeah, I'm trying to get my cooking done. And then I gotta do her lunch snack combo thing. And then it's time for that little girl to go to school. Good morning. Barely morning. It's like 10:17 in the a.m. here at lovely Rambling Snokesman Neighbors in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington. It's a gloomy, well, not really gloomy. It's been like every morning it's been like really foggy, but it's been freaking cold. I think when we went out to get Miles on the bus, it was like 27 degrees. All right. So this is supposed to be a Kamodashi curry udon something. I know it's a curry udon. Cheers. Very salty. Pretty standard, this kind of udon when it's a curry udon. Little bitty bits. It's almost like chicken. I think that might be pork mince. I don't know. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. But now, time for the new bowl. This bowl came from, what do you call it? 7-inch ramen bowl. Look at that. Well, it's gonna be an udon bowl today. This came from Winco Foods, which is like not generally where you find this kind of stuff. They're a discount grocery dealy thing place. Got a slice of chashu. And it's time to bring out our old friend. It's been a while. I've been like really slow on doing reviews lately, but I've been doing my, what do you call them? My definitive guides. I just got done doing the Indomie one. I released the Nongshim one this week. Next is going to be Mama, and then maybe a Prima taste, so we'll see. Yeah. A little bit more. Sparkle time. Yeah, that thing's fun. I like that thing. We got some spring onion. Wow, what a week. It's Friday. And it's just been like running the gamut. I like felt great one day, I felt crummy another day. It's just like tough. My poor wife, she's like just slammed from this COVID long hauler crap. We're gonna do another episode of the chocolate break at some point, maybe tonight. There we go. Another fun extravaganza. How about some chili oil? Why not? I think we're good. Rotato? You in the mood? I certainly hope so. Cool, thanks for watching. The next one we're gonna have is another one from a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenerator for a discount. It's Maruchan Kuta, butter, cream, garlic, yeah, what have you. Yeah. All right, this has been Hans the Ramenerator, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, bye-bye.